Good morning, students. Today I have explained Computer Studies Standard 10, Chapter 8, Chart in Calci, Part 1. First is a introduction. Chart is a graphical representations of a set of data, sometimes numeric data of worksheet cannot convey message clearly. With complex set of data, it becomes difficult to mark trends and relationships. Charts are of immense help for presenting data in pictorial manner. Besides this, charts are used for various purposes such as evaluating alternatives, presenting trends, find out exceptional cases, investigating uh, deviations, identifying and understanding relationship between entities, etc. Step to create a chart with example and various chart terms. The very first step about chart making is to enter data in a spreadsheet document. Enter the following data into worksheet. The data is about some surprise quiz and class test from January to April in an academic year and obtain marks. So this is a statement, and do the following to create a chart. Select the data range A1 to C5 and click on insert menu and then chart menu and options, or click on the chart icon available on standard toolbar. The chart wizard appears. So the chart wizard in Calci is actually a set of simple and user friendly steps to perform charting operations in the spreadsheet package. The chart wizard has the following main components. First, list of steps involved in setting up the chart. Second, list of chart type. Third, preview of chart type. Fourth, options for each chart type. Fifth, options to proceed further or going back and modify the choices. So the different types of a chart type. First is a column, bar, pie, area, line, XY, bubble, net, stock, column and line. So that is a 10 chart type. The first step of chart wizard appears as follow. Kelsey offers a choice of 10 basic chart type. In the first step to chart wizard, such as column chart, bar chart, pie chart, line chart, area chart, XY chart, bubble chart, net chart, stock chart, and column and line chart, etc. So all these types lie under the chart types option. The 3D look box option display the selected chart type in 3D view, but only few chart type such as column chart, bar chart, pie chart and area chart can be seen as a 3D. One can select the shape of the chart such as box, cylinder, cone and pyramid by selecting appropriate choice in the shape box. For our example, select the following chart type columns: 3D look, that is simple, and shape is a box, and then click on next button. So second step, you will get the second step to chart wizard as follow. The second step is a data range. First step is a chart type, second is a data range. So in the second step of chart wizard, one need to provide data range for the chart. Data range options allows user to select the data if it is not selected earlier. If the data is selected earlier, the range automatically appears in the data range options. And note that Kelsey has considered data range with an absolute cell address. The reason is if you move your chart to another location, the data remains same. The succeeding two options are asking about the location of data series in rows and columns. As we have entered our marks in column, select data series in column. The next option in a queue is first row as label. We need to select it since our first row contains all the heading of the data. That means we are specifying label of columns. Similarly, when every row has a heading and one has to select the first column as label option, one can select both the checkbox as well. So third step is the data series. So click on next button, you will get the third step chart wizard as follow. Third is a data series. So with this step of chart wizard, one can decide data range as well as can give name to the range. For our example, the range name is $B$1 having value quiz marks. One can add or remove the data series using this dialog box. Add button is used to add the series. When you want to remove any series, select it and then click on remove button. In our example, the data series values are the quiz marks located within cell B2 to B5. It is mentioned as $seat8, $B and $2 colon $B $5 in the dialog box. So this step of chart wizard also allow to enter the categories of the data. In our example, data series categories are the month names located within cell A2 to A5, which is mentioned as $seat8 dot $A$2 colon $A$5 in the dialog box. Note, range name and categories can be changed by using the select button to minimize the chart wizard and select value directly from the spreadsheet. As we have selected the data earlier, it is shown automatically. So last step is a chart element. So click the on next button, you will get the fourth step of chart wizard as follow. This step of chart wizard lets you enter value of different chart elements such as title, subtitle, x-axis, y-axis, captions, locations of legend, and options to display the grid, etc. The title option of dialog box allow you to enter main title for the chart. Subtitle lets you enter the subtitle of the chart. The title and subtitle are placed on top of the chart within the chart area. X-axis box allows you to provide caption for X-axis and type in month of for that. The Y-axis box allows you to provide captions for Y-axis, type in marks for chart. For that, Kelsey displays various data range in different patterns or a color. By using the legend, one can mark what a particular pattern or color represents. Legends are placed either on left or right, top or bottom of the chart. By default, the legend is visible and place the right side of the chart within the chart area. Select the correct option and click on finish button to create the chart. The chart will be placed in the current sheet. So that is a chart wizard. So first step is a chart type, second is a data range, third is a data series, and fourth is a chart element. So chart wizard is over. Next step is a element of a chart. Following chart is created using above given example. Let us understand various elements of chart using it. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and J. So that is a 10 label. So I have explained one by one. When you place a mouse pointer on the particular part of chart, the name of the elements appears in the above figure. So some labels indicating elements of chart. These labels are described below. First, label A, there is a chart area. The chart area is the rectangular area in which the chart is embedded. Second, label B, that is a y-axis with value. The y-axis value are displayed on the vertical axis of chart. The y-axis values are taken automatically according to the data we have provided. And third, label C, that is a data area axis. The data area axis is the axis within the data area, vertical or horizontal or both grid line on the background of the chart appears when this option is selected. The main utility of the axis within the data area is to identify value if the chart does not display it. Number fourth, label D, that is the title and subtitle. The title of the chart is a name given to the whole chart, and the purpose of the subtitle is to indicate additional information or the purpose and use of the chart. Number fifth, that is a label E, uh, that is a data area. The data area within the chart area actually holds the chart. This area generally appears with a different color boundary line. Number six, label app, that is a legend. In chart, various data range are represented in different pattern or colors using legend. 7. Label G, that is a data series column. Chart many contains more than one data series. For every data series, a color is chosen and chart is built. 8 number, label H, H for chart floor. The chart floor is the horizontal plane with provide base to the chart elements. It is quite useful for bar and column charts. Generally, the chart floor is filled with gray color. 9 number, label I, that is a chart wall. The chart wall is the vertical plane which provides a base to the y-axis of the chart. Number 10, label J, legends on x-axis. The units and categories of the items on x-axis can be specified with the legend on x-axis, and similarly we can specify the legend for the y-axis. Note, after creating a chart, when you select the chart formatting toolbar appears just below the standard toolbar. The left of the chart formatting toolbar display the names of the various elements of a chart. When you select any particular element, that particular element is highlighted with green dotted lines in the chart. So that is the element of a chart. A for chart area, B for y-axis width value, C for data area axis, D for title and subtitle, E for data area, F for legend, G for data series column, H for chart floor, I for chart wall, J for legend on x-axis. So that is a element of a chart. So today's class is over. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.